Jasmine with WTI, and if you're looking to upgrade your bike wheels, look no further. Check out Queen Bike. These are Superteam wheel set, and they are going to take your riding experience to the next level. My husband loves using these on his bike. It makes him feel like he's going so much faster and just gives him a smoother ride experience overall. Here is what the wheels look like straight out of the box. They are super duper lightweight. We love the black matte finish. It's very sleek looking, very modern, and you can tell how aerodynamic they are because of the shape. They just make for a really comfortable, smooth ride. They're also pretty easy to install. We did install the front tire with no problem and decided to take it to a professional to install the back tire because we didn't have the right tool to switch out the cassette. And I'm so glad we did because it got done right and the final results were totally worth it. Not only does his bike look amazing now, but he also has improved his riding experience. So if you're in the market to upgrade your wheels on your bike, definitely check out the Superteam wheel set from Queen Bike. You won't be disappointed that you got them. It's going to be the best bike investment you make, and that's our point of view.